Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to allow the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back and enter system and update and enter developer options. Here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on. However, if you've got it turned off, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.